Hi, my name is Beth. Ghost. I heard someone say ghost. Who are we speaking with tonight? Do you have a name? We heard someone humming a little bit ago. Was that you? Are you going to sing for us? Or do you want us to sing for you? What's your favorite song? Is that what you heard? Guess we could start trying to sing that. Does anyone know how it goes? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Let them finish it. I once was lost, but now it helped, he said. How did that help?
Hi there.
What kind of prayer do you need? Will praying help you? Do you want to leave here? Why do you like the kitchen? Food. Are you hungry? Feed me. Did you hear you said feed me? What kind of food do you want? What's your favorite food?
Bread. I heard that one. Bread.
Will praying help you? So you're hanging out here so that you can look at the food. Can you smell it? It'll be back, he said. Do you miss it because they're on break right now? Are you thirsty too, or are you just hungry? I think that if I were dead, I would really miss food too. All right, well, we'll let you go. Thank you for talking to us about the food. God bless you. Goodbye.